Hey friends, this is Carin Lynch with Plant-Based Made Simple, and today we are going to learn about and make the most popular salad dressing in the United States. All right, drum roll please. It's ranch dressing. Ranch. It's been the most popular salad dressing since it overtook Italian dressing, and now 40% of the people in the United States call it their favorite. In 1950, Steve Henson, a contractor in the Alaskan bush, put together a salad dressing that he used and loved. And when he came home to Santa Barbara, California to open a dude ranch with his wife in 1954, he put this herbaceous salad dressing together, started serving it to his guests, and guess what? The rest is history. Ranch dressing is commonly made with buttermilk. It's made with herbs and seasonings and put together for a nice dressing. However, today we're going to make it plant-based with the tofu for our tofu mayo. So let's talk about our ingredients. We've got 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. We have a block of silkened tofu. Now this isn't regular bean curd, this is the silkened tofu kind. But if you can't find that, you can use regular tofu from your grocery store in the refrigerated section, but you're gonna have to add a little water just to smooth it out a bit. We have 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, or a salt of your choice, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of honey. So now here's our ingredients for our ranch seasoning mix. We have 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of celery salt, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 2 tablespoons of dried dill weed, a teaspoon of garlic powder or granulated garlic, a teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt or salt of your choice, and a teaspoon of coconut sugar or some other sweetener. Now, the ingredients for our dressing. We're going to use our tofu mayo. We'll use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We have some water for the right consistency, and about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning mix. All right, let's put together our tofu mayo. Now this is going to be the base of our salad dressing, but remember, this is a mayonnaise, so you can use this as a sandwich spread too. It's just not for salad dressing. We're going to start out by taking all of our ingredients and blending it in a high-speed blender, just until everything combines and gets together and we have a nice creamy mayo. So now all we need to do is put our seasoning mix together for our dressing. We're just going to add all of our herbs together and mix them in a bowl, and you can store that in an airtight container because you can use it for so many other things. This is great to actually mix in with rice, or maybe not only make a dressing, but you could actually make a veggie dip. Or how about even with some garlic mashed potatoes, put a little ranch in there? I, all the time, mash up cauliflower and mix this in for our cauliflower ranch masher. All right, let's put it all together. So we've got our tofu mayo. We're then gonna add some of our lemon juice, and then we can add some water until we get the right consistency that you like for your salad dressing. And then we're gonna add our seasoning mix. Start with 1 tablespoon, but you can add as much as you need. And then what you're gonna do is just mix it together, and then you have it. America's favorite salad dressing, ranch, plant-based. Can't wait to dive in. What I really like about this recipe is that you get the creaminess and that sharpness with the lemon juice that mimics kind of the buttermilk flavor of our ranch dressing. But remember, there's no egg in it, there's no dairy in it. It's really an awesome plant-based ranch. Thanks for joining me here, and don't forget to meet us here next week where we'll have a brand new plant-based made simple video. And don't forget, follow us on Instagram. It's at Wildwood DIY Health. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, DIY Health.